Let's cook the Sri Lankan black chicken curry. If you want the full written recipe with exact quantities and menu ideas, they are on my recipe site islandsmile.org. Moving on to the recipe. To begin, wash the chicken parts, remove any fat, drain the excess water and place them in a large bowl. Next, dry roast the spices. Place a frying pan over low-medium heat. Add the red chili powder, followed by the unroasted curry powder. Gently dry roast them. Use a wooden spoon to move the spice powders around so it doesn't burn. Maintain a constant heat throughout the process. Dry roast until the curry powder turns to a deep dark brown color. Remove from the stove and set aside to cool. Let's marinate the chicken. Place them in a large pan. Add turmeric powder, black pepper powder, and finally the dry roasted curry powder, seasoned with salt. To add the soaking tamarind, squeeze out the tamarind seed from the pulp and pour in the tamarind liquid over the chicken parts. Mix well. Cover and leave for 30 to 45 minutes to marinate. To cook the chicken curry, you start with a good tempering. To do this, add oil, let it warm, add the pandan leaf, curry leaves, cardamoms, cloves and the cinnamon. Stir. Next, add the minced ginger, minced garlic. Stir for a few seconds until they release their aroma. Make sure to move the tempering ingredients constantly so that the ginger and garlic does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Add the green chilies and then the sliced onions. Once the onions are cooked and soft, you can add the fenugreek seeds. Continue to temper the ingredients for exactly 60 seconds. Now that your tempering is ready, add the marinated chicken parts with the marinade. Mix well with the tempering for 2 minutes over low-medium heat. Then pour water just enough to cover the chicken. Maintain low-medium heat and slow simmer for 15 to 20 minutes or until the gravy reduces in half and thickens. Once the gravy is reduced, taste and season with salt. Remove from the stove and serve warm. And this is your traditional Sri Lankan black chicken curry. For the full recipe, tips and menu ideas, head on to islandsmile.org recipe site.